Hi guys, welcome back. So now let's configure Flutter SDK to Android Studio IDE. So for that, we can see the Android Studio is open over here. And now we have to select the new Flutter project. So for that, for me, it's asking the Flutter SDK path. So now let's configure it. So firstly, we need to download the SDK Flutter. So let's get started. So here, we have to go to the browser and navigate to the Flutter official website from where we can download it. So here I can see that the file which is in zip file, we have to download it. Click on download. So in my case, I've already downloaded it. So you can see here, I've already downloaded the zip file over here. Next, we have to also download Git in our system. For that, you can install it from the official website. So your operating system is Windows. So click on Windows and download Git in your PC. So now let's set up Flutter SDK. So go into the downloads. You can see the zip file which I have downloaded. I have already extracted the files inside the download folder. Now go to the Flutter folder and copy it inside your PC. So you can copy it anywhere inside your PC, but I recommend you to copy it inside the C drive. Next step is to set up the environment variable for Flutter SDK. For that, go to the search bar, search env. So here you can see edit environment variables. So click on environment variables. So go to the path and click on edit. So you have to paste the path of the bin folder over here. So go to the Flutter folder, click on bin, and this path you have to enter over there. And click on OK. So same you have to do for the system variables as well. Just go to the path, click on edit and give new and provide the path. Click on OK and that's it. So next step, now let's check if we can access Flutter from command prompt. For that, open the command prompt and enter the Flutter -- version to check the version of Flutter we have installed. So now for the first time we are getting it as building Flutter, running upgrades, and you can see all the dependencies have got installed correctly. So that's it. We have perfectly set up Flutter SDK in our system. And now we need to check if everything is set up correctly or not. For that, there is a command Flutter Doctor. So this Flutter Doctor command is used to check your Flutter development environment setup. It verifies the installation and shows the status of essential tools and dependencies. So here you can see that the Flutter is ticked, which verifies the Flutter SDK is installed and its version. So next one, the Android toolchain has to be ticked, which tells with platform tools and it is connected to a device that can be built for. So next, the Android Studio is ticked, which verifies IDE installation and Flutter plugin status. So once this is done, your Flutter installation is completed successfully. Now we need to set the Flutter SDK path in Android Studio. For that, go to the C drive, open the Flutter folder, copy the path and paste it over here. Click on next. So you can provide the name of the project you want to give. So then click on create. So you can see that the project is getting created. Yes, our first project is successfully created. Now let's run our first Flutter project in my mobile device, which is connected through USB. So I'm sharing my mobile screen here. So we have successfully ran our first Android project. Thank you. Keep watching Protocoder's Point. Please like, share and subscribe.